Everybody, you are welcome in Chemistry Bean, and today we will discuss about a very important topic. This is known as annation reaction. So what is annation reaction? Let's start. Annation reaction are those reactions where water molecules formed an aqua complex, and these molecules are substituted by are replaced by some anions in the coordination sphere. So that is known as annation reaction. It is very easy. I will explain through some general reaction or example. Let's start. This is the general reaction and some letter which indicate the ligand, the central metal ion, S2O, and the substituting group. So L represent the ligand, M represent the central metal ion, and S2O represent the water. X is substituting group, means anion. Annation reaction, only anions are substituting group. So this is the general reaction. This is ligand, central metal ion, S2O, and this is our anion. And this anion are replaced by S2O, means this is substituting by S2O, that is our product. You can see the charge difference between reactant and product. You can see this example, S2O is replaced by chlorine. So you were saying this reaction, in this reaction reactant charge are different and product charge are different. So this is not the major difference in this reaction. Annation reaction means charge difference. No, annation reaction means their anions replaced by aqua complex, that is known as annation reaction. It is also known as reverse of acid hydrolysis. So if you want to know what is acid hydrolysis, so please comment it. I will give the video on acid hydrolysis. And it is the biomolecular reaction where they depend the concentration of the anion and the complex. So this reaction is done in two steps. First is the removal of water and second is the addition of anion. First step is very slow step, that is known as RDS, means determining step, and second is the fast step. In the first step you can see water is removed from this reaction, from this complex, and in the second step anions are added in this complex.